Hi, I wanted to show you all a video quiz, just a sample of how we're going to use Excel in this course. So if you have a video quiz assignment and it has a video link, you will click on this video link and watch the video, and it will be a video of me showing you a sample problem. And so what you will do is you will work the problem as I work the problem. And the way that you're going to do this is you're going to click on the Excel document, and you can either open this document and work it in Excel so you can get some practice using Excel. That's one option that you can do. Or you can actually go in and you can go to File and Print and print it off and write in the actual answers as I work it. Or you can go in and put Type as I type. So all you would do would be to click on the cell and enter in your number and press enter. And then when you get done watching the video and working as I work, you will click on File and Save As and save it to your computer. Now if you do print it out, you will have to take a picture of it and save it as a PDF or a JPEG and upload it that way. But either way is perfectly fine. But just know that if you do work in Excel, that you may want to pull the video up on another device so you can watch it and work as you go, or you can minimize and work it that way. But once you have watched the video and completed the notes, you're going to upload the assignment into the quiz. And that is just a quick way to show you how we'll use the videos, quizzes, and this is a kind of a way to take notes when you're in an online course. So I hope that this video will help you with your video quiz.